Everyone, I am currently standing in front of the SB8000, which is the largest manual sandblasting cabinet that we here at Vapor Hunting Technologies have produced. Now, we have made larger manual machines, such as our platform machine, and we have made large automated cabinets, but when it comes to manual sandblasting cabinets, this thing is truly tremendous in size. You guys can see the scale of this thing behind me. Now, this machine was made specifically to handle larger parts. This is going to the aerospace field. So again, there are very large components that you have to deal with inside of that industry. But if you guys are looking for something that can handle very large parts, we absolutely can accommodate it in both wet blast, dry blast, and parts washing. So if that's something you're looking for, make sure to give us a call. Just to do a little bit of demonstration with this thing, we're going to blast a rusty part. I have this piece here. It's just some mild surface rust. Inside this machine for testing, we have some glass beads. So I'll go ahead and show you how good of a job this thing does. So I hope that was a pretty good demonstration. Again, that was a fairly well rusted part, but one thing I want to point out is just how clean this blasting chamber stays. We do have two of our large dust collectors on the rear that's pulling through the reclaimer. So not only are you getting only usable media back to the blasting gun, but again, you're keeping this chamber completely clean. A few other things I want to point out on the inside of the machine here is that this is shipping with our rubber lined walls. So on the side here, you're not going to have to worry about damaging the actual cabinet as you use it. Again, sandblasting machines are destructive by nature, so we try and do everything we can to protect them and make them last as long as possible for you guys. Something else you can check out is underneath the floor here. These are removable floors. Here we go. You can get optional wear plates that go below the floor. These, of course, extend the lifespan of your hopper. It's a great investment, especially if you're going to be using heavier medias that will tend to damage the machine throughout blasting. But again, this is the SB8000. Again, it is the largest manual sandblasting configured machine that we've ever made here at Vapor Hunting Technologies. We're very proud of this machine, and we know this machine can serve you all in the industry who are looking for a cabinet of this scale that offers all the features that you need. If you guys are interested, you can call us at 828-202-5563 to get your own machine just like this today.